When choosing horizontal or vertical siding for your home, it really helps to do your research and look at pictures online to find houses that are similar to yours. If you have horizontal or vertical now and you want to stay with that, obviously you're going to kind of know what that looks like. We have some design services that we offer where we can actually plug those products into your home after we do a 3D rendering of your home, so you can kind of get an idea of that. We also give you a reference list when we come out. So we give you our reference list that has a name and an address, but also has exactly what we did on each home. So you can highlight colors, you can highlight styles, and so you can go to certain areas, go to certain houses, and look at exactly what you're thinking for your home. Typically with horizontal siding, if you have big, tall walls, you're probably going to want to go with something that has a little bigger lap size than a smaller lap size, just so it's not as busy as it goes up the wall. Vertical siding can also help with that when you have big, tall walls. But it's really a matter of what design and preference that you like on your home. But doing your research ahead of time and going out and looking at houses that you know are James Hardie products, or you know the color and the style is what you're going to get, really helps to cement those decisions as you're looking at the design for your home.